Just put toothpaste in Coca Cola and you'll thank me. It's incredible. And guys, it really is incredible. Here I've put some toothpaste in 200 ml of Coca Cola. I'm going to close it. You're going to shake it up real good. Pay close attention because this is a very good tip. Once you've shaken it up a bit, you're going to take a container and very carefully, you're going to put our Coca Cola in here with the toothpaste, okay? Wait for some of the gas to come out. Come here and put it in the container. Now you're going to get some detergent, okay? Here I'm using this coconut one, but you can use whatever you have at home. And here we're going to put 3 spoonfuls of detergent. 2 and 3. Mix it up. Let's also add some baking soda. Let's just add a spoonful of bicarbonate. Throw in some bicarbonate, mix it up, and to finish we'll add a glass of water. Normal room temperature water. You've added the water, now just mix everything together very well. And well, folks, our mixture is ready. Now what are we going to do? We're going to pour the whole mixture into a spray bottle, okay? This will help a lot with the application. So take the funnel and pour all the mixture into the spray bottle. Now what? Just close it and our tip will be ready. And here, guys, what have we just made? This wonderful homemade aluminum cleaner, that's right. With this product, you can clean and shine all the aluminum pieces in your home, but especially your pans. For example, here I have this pan. I think a bit of milk has fallen in here, and when it does, many people throw the pan away, but you don't have to do that. I'm going to show you now the power of our little mixture, You're going to come here and spray the pot very well, okay? Once you've done that, you're going to use the green part of the sponge, you don't need Bombril, and you're going to scrub it, and look at that, guys, look how wonderful it is. This mixture is very good because as well as cleaning the pan, it also gives it a wonderful shine. Let's rinse here, very nice indeed. You can also use it to clean the mouth of the stove. As we use it, it tends to get very burnt. It's the same here, it's the same process. Take our mixture and spray it on very well. Then just scrub with the sponge, and look how pretty it is. Very nice indeed, Anyone who's ever tried to get it off knows how difficult it is. But this little mixture really is very powerful. And look at the difference. Really nice, guys. So that's it. Do it at home. I'm sure you'll really like the result.